Today we're going to be throwing a throttle position sensor into my GMC work truck here. This is the new one I've got here. And let's see if you can find the part number there. It's pretty simple. All you need is a T25 Torx bit. So you're just going to want to go up here to the throttle body, pop this first clip loose. Sorry about that, there's a lot of sun right now. I'm going to go ahead and pop the clip behind it loose just so it doesn't interfere. Tuck those out of the way. Right there. Get your Torx bit. And just start loosening the screws. There's another one right down here. I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. So there's that. Just go over here and there's that. Oh, dropped it. Try not to do that. Pick this up. The new one goes on the same way as the old one. Don't look too bad. New one. So you can come over here and see how they look. Pretty much the same. There's really no difference. Check at the plugs, make sure the plugs are the same. 3 prongs. 3 prongs. So just go ahead, put this one on. Get your screws. There you go. Just go ahead and plug it back in carefully. Make sure your sensors are, you don't want to bend your prongs there. Plug your other sensor that you removed back in.